Okay, students, good morning. Next topic, relations. Relations means relations. The relation are from A to B subset of A cross B. Then R subset of A cross B, that is relations. Example, the New Delhi is the New Delhi is the capital of India. Capital of India, that is relation. Okay. Then next one topic, domain. Domain of the selected elements of the relations R is set A. The domain is the domain of the relation R is A. Set A is a relation. X belongs to A. Then codomain the same, the domain of the relations of the codomain of the relation R is B. Then Y belongs to B. That next one, the range. The selected element of elements of set A. More than elements is set A. Then selected elements, some elements of a range. That's all. Okay. Then let's go to exercise 1.2. Okay. First Roman. First Roman is let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 7 and B is equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Set A, set B. Set A, set B. Which of the following are relation from A to B? You verify that. Okay, the 4 sums only, the subdivision, 4 subdivision. Then first one subdivision, R1 equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. That is relations. Okay, solution. Then compare the first one is A cross B. You find the A cross B. A cross B is equal to A is the set A 1, 2, 3, 7, 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Okay, your relations between 1, 3, 1, 0 and 3, 7, 1, 0 and 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 7. Okay, second one 2, 3, 2, 0 and 2, minus 1 and 2, 7. Okay, and 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1, 3, 7. The last is 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1 and 7, 7. That is A cross B. First one, you find the R1 equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. Anyone is the 2, 1 is given the A cross B? No. Okay, and 7, 1 is the no. That is R1 is not belongs to R1 not belongs to A cross B. That is not relations of A cross B. Not a relations of relation from A to B. Okay, that's all. The second subdivision, the given R2 is equal to minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 R2. You compare the value, the A cross B, the minus 1 comma 1 is not, only the 1 comma minus 1 is the R1 R2. Okay, the given A cross B is not 1, minus 1 comma 1 is the A cross B. A to B is a relation. Okay, then 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 not belongs to A cross B. Okay, that is R1 is not a relation, R2 is not relation from A cross B, A cross B. Okay, then third subdivision is given R3. R3 is equal to 2 comma minus 1 and 7 comma 7 and 1 comma 3. Okay, then compare the A cross B. First one is the 2 comma minus 1. The 2 comma minus 1 is the given A cross B. Okay, you find 2 comma less than 2 comma minus 1 belongs to A cross B, comma 7 comma 7 is the 7 comma 7 belongs to A cross B, and third one 1 comma 3 is belongs to A cross B. Therefore R3 is a relation from A cross A to B. Okay, and fourth one, the subdivision fourth one, R4 is equal to 7 comma minus 1 and 0 comma 3 and 3 comma 3 and 0 comma 7. Okay, we compare the relations. 7 comma minus 1, yeah, 7 comma minus 1 is belongs to, okay, 7 comma minus 1 belongs to A cross B. Next 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3 is not, 3 comma 0 is 3 not belongs to A cross B, and 3 comma 3 is belongs to A cross B. 3 comma 3 is given, 3 comma 3. Okay, the 3 comma 3 is A cross B, and 0 comma 7 is 0 comma 7 is not, 0 comma 7 7 comma 0 is not belongs to A cross B. Then two elements of in A cross B and two elements are not A cross B. Therefore R4 is not a relation, from A cross B. That's all. First division over, first Roman over. Okay.